Hey guys, today I want to unbox a handheld PC, which is a OneXPlayer X1 Mini that I purchased from Indiegogo in early June, and they promised to deliver before end of July. And today is July 18, so yeah, they delivered the promise. So this is the package that I got. I purchased the the X1 Player X1 Mini for 949 US dollars. I chose the one with 32 gigs RAM and 1 terabyte storage. So this is the package that I got. I think this is a hub, which is the LAN adapter from USB-C to LAN adapter. So this is USB-C to LAN, and the second one is the mouse, portable wireless mouse. I think yeah, this is just like a standard cheap mouse, I think. Let me open. Oh, it's white. Looks like it's white. This is the mouse. And I also got, I think this is the bonus. This is the case for the gamepad. Let's open it. So this has a OneXPlayer. Okay, they have this. Oops. Okay. This is the case for the controller. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so yeah, the controller is also here, but I think it lacks the connector. So maybe it looks like I have to buy the connector separately. And also they have this replacement or for the D-pad. So yeah, I don't know which one I prefer. Later I'll check it. Okay, so also the quick start guide for the dedicated connector. So yeah, the controller itself, it has the trigger button, but it feels very light actually. Okay, then next thing, let's check what is this. Okay, this one is the keyboard attachment. So yeah, this is the keyboard. They have the pogo pin. The WASD button is orange. I think it's pretty good for laptop. Okay, and finally the box of the X1 Mini unit. the X1 OneXPlayer. This is X1 Mini, and yeah, this is what I got, which is the 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Yeah, the CPU is the MD8840U and has the 8.8 inch screen, LPTS screen in Windows 11. Okay, let's open this. Okay, there's something here. Oh, there's the instruction. There's instruction booklet, I think, for the mini manual. It comes both in English and Chinese. Okay, let's check it later. Then I think this is the main unit. Looks like something broke. The ribbon didn't work. I think I broke the ribbon. But yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, this is the main unit. This is the monitor. Okay, let's open this. Okay, yeah, looks pretty good. Oh, it's shiny. It's glossy. I have the cover for the gamepad attachment, both in the left and right side. And in the bottom, there's the USB-C connector, Oaklink port, the SD card reader, and the pogo pin for the keyboard. The right side is for the gamepad connector. Okay, and in the top side has the USB connector, USB-C, the turbo button, volume up and down, and I think this is the power button. And in the left side also the same. It's the gamepad connector. So first, maybe let's try to connect the keyboard. I think let's try. Okay, yeah. I think connects, looks fine. How about the stand, kickstand? Okay, yeah, it also looks okay now. Okay, now let's try to connect the controller. Okay, left one. Okay, okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So let me try to turn it on. Okay, I have the, okay, now it's booting. think it's setting up, and yeah, think for you can end it now. So yeah, later I'll let you know if there's a issue with this one. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone.